Hello children, in session 5 of chapter 9 perimeter and area, let me learn today area of a square. So here in a square, we know all four sides are equal. Here if a square is divided into, here this length is 4 centimeter and this length is also 4 centimeter, and we want to find the area of this square. Then here this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and this one is 16. So here area of a square is 16. How we got? We counted all the squares and we wrote that area of that big square, this big square is 16 square centimeters. Okay, or we can write area of a square equals to length into length. So here length is 4, another length is also 4, and in square we find both lengths are equal. So here 4 4s are, we get 16 and we write square centimeters. Okay, so here formula we derived is area of a square is L into L square units. This is the formula we use to find area of a square. Now let me go to exercise 9.4. Here exercise 9.4. Some answers are asked orally, we have to answer them orally. Here, what is the total space within the boundary of a square called? It is area of a square. First answer, first answer, it is area of a square. Then second oral question is, what is the unit of area? So unit of area here is square unit. Or we write here centimeter, meter. If unit is centimeter, we write square centimeter. If it is meter, then we write square meter. Then third one, what is formula to find the area of a square? So here formula to find area of a square is area of a square is equals to length into length, L into L. Okay, now here second figure is given, find the area of the figure given below. So here two different figures are given. Let me find the area of those two figures. Here second question, first figure is given, it is of a cartoon frame, cartoon picture is given which is in a square and its sides are 52 centimeter and another one also 52 centimeters. Now here we should find area of this square. So area of a square is equals to, it is L into L, which is equals to 52 into 52. Now we don't know what is the answer for 52 into 52. So let me multiply and find. So here 52 into 52. So first multiply by 2, 2 2s are 4. And 2 5s are 10. Then add 1 0 here. Next 5 2s are 10, carry 1. 5 5s are 25 plus 1, it is 26. So here is 4 0, 6 plus 1 7 and this is 2. So here 25 into 25 is 52 into 52 is 2704 square centimeters. Then let me go to Second example. Second example here, again one frame is given of butterfly where side is 50 centimeter, another side is also 50 centimeter. So here we should find the area of this square frame. So area of a square is L into L, which is equals to 50 into 50. 50 is a 5 5 is a 25, then add 2 zeros. So this is 2500 square centimeters. Okay, then third main question, here 10 different questions are given. We will solve only 5 questions here and remaining 5 questions we'll try at home. Then here third main question, the measure of one side of a square are given. We have to find its area. So first question is, here L is given 3 centimeter. Then area of a square is L into L. So here L into L is 3 into 3. So 3 3 is how much we get? 9 square centimeters. Then third question here, L is 11 centimeter. So here area is L into L. So it is 11 into 11. 11 11 is 121 square centimeters. Then fifth question, fifth one, here it is L equals to 25 centimeters. Therefore, area is equals to L into L. It is 25 into 25. So 25 is it is 625 square centimeters. Then seventh question is, here seventh question, length is given 41 centimeters. So here again area is L into L. L is 41 again into 41. So here we should multiply 41 into 41. So 1 1s are 1, 1 4s are 4. Then add 1 0 here, 4 1s are 4 and 4 4s are 16. So this is 1, 4 plus 4 8, 6 1. So here answer is 1681 square centimeters. Then ninth question, here length is 63 centimeters. So here area is L into L. Then L here is 63 into 63. Now 63 into 63, let me multiply 63 into 63. So here 3 3 is 9, 3 6 is 18. Add 1 0 here, 6 3 is 18, carry 1. Now 6 6 is 36 plus 1, it is 37. Then add these numbers. So 9 plus 0 is 9, 8 plus 8 16, carry 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 7 9, and remaining here is 3 as it is. So here answer is 3969 square centimeters. So here we completed third main question. Then let me go to fourth main question. Fourth main question, some statement problems are given and those statement problems we have to solve. First question, the length of a square room is 6 meter. What is the area of the floor of the room? Now here a length. First main, fourth main question, first one. Here length of a square room is given 6 meter. Then we want to find area of a floor. Area of a floor of a room, it is a square. So it is L into L. Then it is 6 into 6. 6, how much we get? It is 36 square meter. Here unit is meter. Here length is given 6 meter. Then what we should write? 36 square meter. Second one. The length of a square paper is 21 centimeter. Then what is its area? Now here length of a paper is 21 centimeters. Then area of a paper, area of a square paper is length into length. So this is 21 into 21. So here 21 into 21 multiply 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2. Then add 0 here, 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. So this is 1, 2 plus 2, 4 and this 4. So here we get 441 square centimeters. Then the third question is the length of a square canvas cloth is 15 meter. Find the area of the cloth. Now here length of the canvas cloth, it is 15 meter. So area of canvas cloth, it is length into length, which is equals to 15 into 15. Now 15 15s are, it is 225 square centimeters, square meters. Here unit is meter, so you should write in meter. Then let me go to fourth main question. Here fourth main question is the length of a square room is 8 meter. How many granite stones of 2 meter into 1 meter are required to cover the floor of the room? Now check here, room is a square room, okay, but the tiles are rectangle. So there we use formula of rectangle. Now fourth question here, length of a room, it is 8 meter. So here area of a square room, area of square room is length into length. So here it is 8 into 8. How much we get? 64 square centimeters. Then area of a tile, granite stone, area of granite stone, those are in a rectangular form, so it is L into B and it is given 2 into 1. Now what is 2 into 1? 2 ones are 2. Now 2, it is a square meter, here also it is meter. Square meter, 2 meter into 1 meter, square meter. So number of granites we want, number of granite stones is equals to area of room whole divided by area of granite stone. Which is equals to, it is 64 divided by 2. So here 2 3s are and 2 2s are. 32 stones are required. 32 granite stones are required to complete the floor. Now last question, fifth question. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . Here fifth question is, the length of a square room is 400 centimeter. How many square tiles of 10 centimeter in length are required to cover the floor of a room? Now here length of a square room, it is 400 centimeter. So here fifth answer, length is 400 centimeters. So here area of a room equals to length into length. So it is 400 into 400. So 4 fours are how much? It is 16. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros we have to add. So it is 1,60,000 square centimeters. Here answer is 1,60,000 square centimeters. Then how many square tiles of 10 centimeter in length are required? That we have to find. So area of a square tile equals to again length into length. So here length of a square tile is 10. 10 into 10, it is 100 square centimeters. Then how many square tiles are required? So here number of square tiles equals to area of a room whole divided by area of a tile, which is equals to 1,60,000 divided by 100. So 0 cancel, 0 cancel, 2 zeros cancel. So here answer is 1,600 tiles are required. So number of tiles are 1,600. Then let me go to fifth main question, and this is the last question of the lesson. Calculate the area of a shaded region. Here first one square is given where here one part is shaded, and it is told that this part is 2 centimeter, here is 4 centimeter, this part is 2 centimeter, and here is 4. So 2 plus 2, it is 4, isn't it? So here this part also is 2 centimeter and this is 2. Okay, here is 2, this is 2, here 2, and this part also 2. So here area of a shaded region, shaded portion, let me write, and it is a square, isn't it? So we write length into length, which is equals to 2 into 2, it is 4 square meter. Here it is in meter, not in centimeter, okay? This is in meter. Now second figure is given where we find 2 different squares. Here one square is drawn of 4.5 centimeter. This is of 4.5 meter. Here also 4.5 meter. Another square is drawn which is of side 5.5 meter. And between these 2 squares, this area, we should find This is the area of shaded region. We should find this. So what we should do? We should find area of bigger square, area of smaller square and subtract. Then we'll get area of shaded region. So here area of outer square, that is outside, or bigger square equals to length into length, which is equals to 5.5 into 5.5. So here multiply 5.5 into 5.5. 5 5s are 25, carry 2, 5 5s are 25 plus 2, 27. Then add 0 here, again 5 5s are 25, carry 2, 5 5s are 25 plus 2, 27. So here 5 plus 0 is 5, 7 plus 5 is 12, carry 1. Then 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, carry 1, and 1 plus 2 is 3. So here after 2 digit we should keep a decimal point, and it is 30.25 square meters. Then area of inner square, again it is length into length, and length of inner square is 4.5 into 4.5, which is equals to, again multiply 4.5 into 4.5. So 5 5s are 25, carry 2. Then 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 2, it is 22. Add 0, 5 4 5s are 20, carry 2, 4 4s are 16, 17 and 18. So here is 5, 2, this is 10, carry 1, it is 2. So here answer we get 20.25. This is square meter. Then area of a shaded region. Area of shaded region, shaded portion, equals to area of outer square minus area of inner square. So here outer square is 30.25 minus 20.25. So it is 10, 30 minus 20, it is 10 square meter. So here area of shaded region is 10 square meter. And here we completed the chapter 9, that is perimeter and area. And children, complete your fair book. We will go to next lesson, data handling, in our next session. Till then, have a good day, children.